If you want a recipe that will wow your friends and family, you've got to try my barbecue ribs. I'm going to show you how to make the easiest smoked ribs. So we have 2 sets of baby back ribs here, and we want to pull the skin off the back. So I just use a little paring knife, cut it, and you can see that skin coming up. Here's my favorite tip for pulling that skin off. We're going to get a couple of paper towels, bunch them up, and then you're just grabbing, and you can see it comes right off. I learned this tip when I had fake nails on, and it was such a pain to get that off. This makes life so much easier. All right, so we have our ribs. We're going to season them with some barbecue seasoning. Just use your favorite one. And you're gonna wanna check the ingredients in the back to see if it has salt, because if it does not have salt, we're gonna need to add some separately. Flip it over and do the exact same thing on the other side. And now we're just going to sprinkle with a little bit of kosher salt. We want to do this on both sides. This is really going to bring out the flavors of the seasoning and the meat. The smoker's on for 250 degrees. We're going to go ahead and place these on the smoker just as is for right around 2 hours. We're going to wrap them for the rest of the time. And I'm going to show you all the steps for this. It's been 2 hours, so now we are going to wrap these with tin foil. You can see that I'm creating a little bit of a boat. I'm going to add some apple juice and then wrap that tightly to finish smoking. We're going to use 2 forks to check to see if they're starting to pull apart. If they are, we're going to open that up, and then we're going to top it with a glaze and finish smoking, and that's it. You guys, these are so good. Let me know if you make it.